We made love that night and left the rest part. The next day, when I woke up, Charlotte was nowhere to be found. I looked around and round, but she was gone. The only thing that was left of her was this scarf.
Palazzo lights. A1, the moment, A1. Sharp. Okay, the moment in 5, the moment in the only thing left in 5. Ngena kancane. Sharp. Phuma kancane ngelights. Uvelile la, no phuma. Sharp. In 5. Angisamboni. Sharp. Action.
The only thing that was left of her was this scarf. What's wrong, my sister?
And my sister, is it close to this camera? Yes, easy, bro. It's easy. It's easy, bro. It's easy, man.
Which year was it?
What?
The year that you picked her. Which year was it?
Oh, it was 1986 when we met.
What was her name?
Oh, it's Charlotte.
Let's bow. Yo.
Kilos. Shop.
Oh, hi, Sticks.
Oh, I'm not lying, I'm not lying. Oh, ask this sister. Mary, I'm not for teacher. I'm scared for it. What? Yasha, easy.
Hi. None of these are cookie up for us. You're the worst music ever.
Oh, I'm going to stop music. Okay, you know I'm going to stop music. I'll be at time.
Me, I was a musician.
I want to say, you know what I'm listening to. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about.
Wow, my sister. You remind me of my good old days. Wow, my sisters. Yazi the way ukula makona. You remind me of my good old days.
I got my mind when I
Those moments. Pero kuluma music. Yazi, I think we should do a collaboration. Sishayi Hindi, Sishayi South Africa,
Oh, mommy, I would love that. But don't you think you are too old for that? Have you seen yourself in the mirror lately?
You must never underestimate yourself. We are one Antonia. The fact that you're selling sweets on the street doesn't mean it's over. And when my sister, being a prostitute doesn't mean it's the end of the world. We are all coming from somewhere and we are all going somewhere. We are one Amiga. I used to be in a music group. When we sang, you could tell that the heavens doors are about to open. When we sang, Abantwana Beba Melta, like cheese on top of a hot pasta. Those moments we are gonna meet. Me and my crew, we were untouchable. Our mistake, Nabo Mrs. Untouchable. You could not touch us when we are on stage doing the tap dance.
How many times do I have to tell you that you make it dirty here? Yeah? Wanyata man.
Lucky, you are such a powerful poet. I will be a name to say, Nisa.
One like this is very bizarre. And I don't want my children to starve. So I will not wash at my village. This side. I will young boy. This side. Do you understand?
Ha! Yazin Lucky, try that video in the match. Yazin, I've heard about the drama kings out there. But not about the drama king. And then I will be Nisa away. And Yazin, and I'm a time to suffer. Show Yazin, we'll show it twice. We shall try in Nika for free. Come on, moment, Mina, you mame.
That moment.
Yeah, one of my sister. Those moments, the flames of art were burning within us. The desire of seeing ourselves overseas, Hollywood, Bollywood, you name them. Give us acting, and we would give it back to you. Give us the Western dance, and we would do it for you. The African dance, my sister. I wanna get the excellent.
Shabba
Yazi abantu bazojaja, not knowing where you're coming from. Do you know the feeling of growing up without a father?
Mommy, I grew up without a father too. Mommy, I grew up without a father too. Well, my mother used to tell me she used to work in America as a cleaner, and she only met my father once, and they only had one night that night to spend, and she had to come back to South Africa. And when she came back here, that's where she found out that she was pregnant with me. And now that is my story, Mommy.
Nice. Our mothers with secrets. Yazi umama wami used to tell me that my father was a dog. Inja, my sister.
Longing for my father, longing for his love. Longing for my father, longing for his love. Longing for my father, longing for his love.
Good night, Mana.
Longing for my father, longing for his love.
Good man.
Longing for my father.
Good man. What are you doing here all by yourself, my boy? Hey? You know, I've been looking everywhere for you. Getting ready.
Mom, do you think my father will ever come back again here?
But you know what? Hey? Mommy loves you very much and I'll do anything for you. Hey?
But Mom, my friends are mocking me.
Good man. You got what I train as well. Hey? Sorry.
Oh, but Mom.
Good man. It's time to retake me. Good man, Wanaka. Nah. All alone, my boy. You know, I've been looking everywhere for you.
Sivan, last line.
Okay. Good man. It's time to retake me. Go and play with the other boys, man.
Big boy, let's play the game. ungifundisile.
Iyo.
Utata.
Iyo. Hayi iyo thina.
Isho ngoba tata.
Jefika malame kwakho.
Tata wami.
Iyo.
Angazi kama
Uwe.
tata.
You don't know your mother.
So that's good.
You should really ask your mother who Manda Petimpi Zungu is.
Here, oh, oh, oh.
Is my father still alive? Mama, is my father a rich man? Mama, who is my father?
Good man. I raised you in this house. I gave you love. I gave you everything. You come and ask me about a man you don't even know, who you've never even heard of.
He was my father. You should have given him a chance to be my father, Mama. You took dreams from me. I would have been a musician a long time ago. But all this time, you feel. You know what? You are nothing but a dead witch to me.
What? Find my father. Do you know him?
Where he was when the sister was looking to raise him, you should have given him a chance. You should have given him a chance, my Yuma, to be my father. Because you know him, you can't to feel it and be happy. Just you again. Uqinise ukufika phambi. Fika papa mngoma mvuku bese siyoyo. Bethe. Bethe mama. Akuloyaziyo vele. Yeah. Yeah. that moment, I went to Joburg to look for my father. What I saw when I first came here, Pela Joburg back in the days, my sister, was every man's dream, not knowing that it's a graveyard for broken dreams, not knowing that it's a graveyard.
Graveyard.
Not knowing that it's a graveyard for broken dreams.
Joburg, please!
Exit Mamzo, backstation. Chemiston, Buffalo, Chemiston. Go, Nigeria! Hey, Akira! Tu frase da tua lista, Akira, Akira! Ai, essas bombas. Eish, I want to from you. Let's all speak to you on there.
Okay, sharp.
Those moments, the moment of mourning, and the moment of finding out that you are a billionaire and you own businesses all over the world. I didn't waste time, my sister. I flew straight to America. You see, my sister, let me tell you something. Yazi, the moments of money, they go along with the moments of Jezebels. And the moments of Jezebels, they go along with the moments of drugs. And the moments of drugs, they go along with the moments of alcohol. And the moments of alcohol, they go along with the moments of Lucifer. I was bossy as hell, my sister.
Hey, you. I think you're gonna have to get some.
Listen.
Listen. Check this out. Hey, you. I think I need something to drink. I did not even tell you what to get. Get me a cognac. With ice as well. I don't think I want whiskey. You know what? I don't know why you're still standing there for. Go. Just go.
He's such a clever. You're such a sweetheart. Tell me.
Yeah.
So, are you from South Africa?
Yes.
Oh, and is it true that you're a billionaire?
As you can see.
Ooh, that's such a beautiful. Oh, by the way, my name is Jessica.
And I'm Amanda, darling.
But you can call me Jazz.
Wait.
You can call me Jessica.
And I'm Amanda, darling. Oh, okay.
But you can call me Jessica.
Wait. What about her?
What about her?
Her name is Charlotte. She is not your type. But you can call me Jessica.
Wait. What about her?
What about her?
Her name is Charlotte.
gonna have to get away from me. Young lady.
Are you talking to me?
Yes, of course I'm talking to you. What's your name?
Oh, my name is Charlotte.
Charlotte. What a beautiful name, Charlotte.
I'll never forget that day. The day I met Charlotte, the love of my life. We made love that night and left the rest party.